To change the brightness of your keypad, scroll on the carousel and tap Options. Tap Brightness and Volume. Use the brightness slider bar to brighten or dim the keypad screen. Sliding the bar all the way down gives you additional options. Tap here to add a status LED when the keypad is idle. Tap here to make the screen turn off when the keypad is idle. Use the volume slider bar to increase or decrease the volume of the keypad. Use the voice enunciation toggle to allow the keypad to enunciate a predefined zone name when that zone is tripped. When enabled, you can adjust the enunciation volume with the slider bar. Once finished, tap the shield in the upper right corner to return to the home screen. With voice enunciation, your keypad will announce the zone name when tripped.